Hey money savvy viewers, welcome back to our YouTube channel where we empower you with the financial wisdom they forgot to teach you in school. I'm thrilled to have you here today because we are about to unveil the secrets to personal finance success that no one bothered to share in the classroom. Today's video is going to be very exciting, so make sure you stay in this video till the end holding a pen and a notebook so that you can note the important points we are going to discuss. But before we dive in, make sure you hit that subscribe button and smash that notification bell so you never miss a life-changing video. And if you find this information valuable, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Alright, let's shatter those financial chains and unlock the 9 personal finance rules school doesn't teach you. Guys, you've spent years in school cramming your brain with equations, historical dates, and the periodic table. Yet when it comes to managing your hard-earned money, you're left in the dark. That's why today, I'm going to share with you 9 personal finance rules that school doesn't teach you. It's like being given a compass without a clue about where to go. But fear not, today we are throwing open the doors to financial enlightenment, revealing the 9 personal finance rules that the schools kept hidden from all of us. So let's get started. Rule number 1, create a budget. Basically, rule number 1 is the cornerstone of financial success. The master key to your financial kingdom. That is, create a budget. Schools rarely teach us how to manage our money effectively, but creating a budget is the foundation of financial success. Just forget what you've heard about budgets being restrictive or boring. Start by tracking your income and expenses. Categorize your spending and identify areas where you can cut back. Remember, it's not about restricting yourself, but rather making intentional choices with your money. They are your secret weapon to taking charge of your money. It's time to unleash your inner financial superhero and track your income and expenses like a boss. Rule number 2, save for emergencies. So, rule number 2 is all about preparing for life's unexpected plot twists. Yes, we are talking about building an emergency fund that will be your safety net in times of crisis. We all know life is unpredictable and unexpected expenses can derail your financial progress. So, you should aim to build an emergency fund that covers 3 to 6 months of living expenses. This will provide you with a safety net in case of job loss, medical emergencies, or other unforeseen circumstances. From sudden job loss to surprise medical bills, having a financial buffer will keep you feeling secure and ready to tackle anything life throws your way. Rule number 3, prioritize high interest debt. Now, brace yourselves for rule number 3, where we turn the tables on debt and show you how to conquer it like a financial ninja. It's crucial to understand the impact of debt on your economic well-being. School often doesn't emphasize the importance of paying off high-interest debt as quickly as possible. Hence, you should start by focusing on credit cards and loans with high interest rates, as they can quickly accumulate and hinder your financial progress. Guys, it's time to break free from the chains of debt and pave your way to economic liberation. Rule number 4, invest for the future. Now, let's embark on a thrilling journey into the world of rule number 4, which is investing for the future. Imagine your money as a seed that, when planted wisely, grows into a majestic money tree. Guys, investing is a powerful tool for building wealth, but it's rarely discussed in school. So start early and take advantage of compound interest. Consider investing in low-cost index funds or diversified portfolios that align with your long-term goals. Remember, the earlier you start, the more time your investments have to grow. You should learn how to make money investing in stocks, bonds, and other options, allowing you to build wealth and achieve your dreams. Rule number 5, understand taxes. Now let's take a closer look at the dark corners of the tax labyrinth in rule number 5. You should equip yourself with the knowledge to navigate the complex world of taxes like a pro. It's a fact that school teaches us a lot about history, but not enough about taxes. But it's essential for you to understand how taxes work, how to file your tax returns, and how to take advantage of deductions and credits. This knowledge can save you a significant amount of money and prevent unnecessary financial headaches. From deductions to credits, you'll learn how to keep more of your hard-earned cash in your pocket and prevent the taxman from sneaking away with your treasure. Rule number 6. Insurance and risk management. Rule number 6 is all about guarding your financial fortress against unexpected invaders. The school doesn't often cover the importance of insurance, but it's vital for protecting your financial well-being. So, it's time to research and understand the types of insurance you need, such as health insurance, car insurance, and renter's insurance if you want to have better financial planning. Having appropriate coverage can safeguard you from financial disasters. Whether it's health, auto, or renter's insurance, just make sure that your financial castle remains impenetrable. Rule number 7. Build multiple streams of income. Guys, now get ready to level up your financial game with rule number 7, which is about building multiple streams of income. It's time to break free from the shackles of relying solely on a single paycheck. Most schools focus on preparing us for a single career path, but the world is changing rapidly. So building multiple streams of income, such as freelancing, starting a side business, or investing in real estate, can provide financial security and flexibility. Also, diversifying your income sources reduces the risk of relying solely on a single paycheck. You should discover the secrets to side hustles, passive income, and entrepreneurial endeavors that will skyrocket your income. So guys, it's time to say goodbye to financial limitations and hello to a life of abundance. We have created a How to YouTube Automation series for side hustle ideas. You can check the link of the playlist in the description. Rule number 8. Plan for retirement. Now guys, let's fast forward to the future with rule number 8, that is planning for retirement. While it may seem light years away, taking action now will ensure you're sipping margaritas on a beach rather than counting pennies in your golden years. The earlier you start planning and saving, the better off you will be. You know, schools rarely discuss the importance of retirement savings and the power of compound interest over time. You should know the power of compound interest and retirement accounts to create a financial future that's both comfortable and exciting. Rule number 9. Continuously educate yourself. Last but certainly not the least, rule number 9 unveils the secret sauce for lifelong financial success, which is continuous education. Guys, just keep in mind that learning about personal finance doesn't stop after graduation. Just because school ends doesn't mean the learning stops. Remember, you should stay informed about financial trends, investment strategies, and money management techniques. There are countless resources available, from books and podcasts to online courses and financial advisors that will level up your financial IQ. Stay curious and committed to expanding your financial knowledge. You can see the benefits of lifelong learning by clicking on the link above. So guys, are you ready to rewrite the rules of your personal finance? I guarantee you that these 9 personal finance rules are just life savior, which schools definitely don't teach you. But by implementing these rules into your life, you'll be able to pay your way to financial freedom and success. Just remember, financial success is not an overnight miracle, but a journey of continuous learning, discipline, and smart choices. So go forth and create your budget, save for emergency, tackle high-interest debt, invest for the future, understand taxes, protect yourself with insurance, build multiple streams of income, plan for retirement, and never stop educating yourself. Together, we will rewrite the rules, shatter financial barriers, and unlock a future of abundance and freedom. Now it's time to unlock the doors that the schools left closed, empowering ourselves with the knowledge and tools to create a future of financial freedom. So grab your pens, buckle up, and get ready to embark on this transformative journey with us. Remember, the power to take control of your financial destiny is in your hands. Just keep in mind that taking control of your finances is a lifelong journey. Let's break free from the limitations of what schools didn't teach us and create a brighter financial future together. We suggest you read the 3 books mentioned in the description for enlightenment on the following subject. And we are donating 9% of the total earning from this video as well as from this channel for the education of unprivileged children. We have a vision of 100% literacy in India by the year 2034. If you want to be a helping hand, do like and share this video, and we value your constructive feedback as well as your views in the comment section. Guys, that's enough for today's video, and thanks for joining us today as we shattered the myth that school is the only place to learn about personal finance. If you found this personal finance rules enlightening, make sure to hit that subscribe button for more valuable content on personal finance and wealth building. Guys, if you're still left with any doubts, just leave a comment to us and we will surely try to resolve your doubts. Until the next video, keep hustling, keep learning, and keep rocking your financial goals. We'll catch you in the next video.